Is it wrong to stand up for yourself at work? Now, this is a question that a lot of corporate executives have on their minds as they face a lot of interpersonal challenges, relationship issues with their bosses, with peers, and they wonder, should I say something? How would it reflect? Standing up for myself, which means I say this is what I want, this is what I like, this is what I don't like. Am I really supposed to do that? And a lot of these questions play on the mind. And at times, when you stand up for yourself, the results are not as great, right? So let's look at it a little at length. What does it mean to stand up for yourself, and should you do it or not? Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, your happiness coach, and I help leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Hit the like button if you find it meaningful. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are 2 new videos published here every day. So, talking about this whole issue of should I stand up for myself or not? Should I assert myself or not, right? See, the whole thing is that when when you're facing those so-called challenges, let's say with your boss, or let me start by talking about this corporate executive who I was talking to, when he shared that for almost an year he was criticized by his boss. There were a lot of outpours. He would blast him. He had to face his boss's rage for almost an year, and then finally he told the boss that you cannot talk to me like this, in this disrespectful manner. आप मुझसे इस तरह से बात नहीं कर सकते. पर 1 साल तक he tolerated whatever was happening, and finally he said that. And clearly वो 1 साल wasn't the pleasant one, the most pleasant one, right? And जब उन्होंने बोला अपने बॉस को कि आप मुझसे इस तरह से बात नहीं कर सकते, उसके 1 महीने के अंदर he was asked to leave. Yep. Now, अगर हम इस स्टोरी को ब्रॉडली देखें तो बड़ा छोटा सा लगेगा कि हाँ, द बॉस वाजंट गुड, ही बिहेव्ड इन अ सर्टेन मैनर, और जैसे ही उनको बोला तो उनको अच्छा नहीं लगा, उन्होंने एम्प्लॉय को या उस एग्जीक्यूटिव को निकाल दिया. The thing with human emotions is, the thing with our brains is that while they may look simple, but they're quite complex. और जब ये beliefs आ जाते हैं ना, क्योंकि हम जैसे भी बिहेव कर रहे हैं, हमारे एक्शंस, बिहेवियर्स, सब हमारे बिलीव्स का आउटकम है, राइट? तो बिलीफ अपने बारे में और लोगों के बारे में जो भी धारणाएं बना रखी हैं, बेसिस आर एक्सपीरियंसेस. सो माय बॉस इज लाइक दिस, ही इज ओनली गोइंग टू टॉक लाइक दिस, he is a moron. So you have such a strong belief that that's where you're looking at him from. That's where you are being governed every time you are interacting with him. Now, taking the same example, पूरे 1 साल तक जब आपने वो बिहेवियर टॉलरेट किया, आपने बॉस के उस रेज को, उस डिसरिस्पेक्ट एटीट्यूड को, उस क्रिटिसिज्म को सहा, and you did not say anything or question back or even made an attempt to understand. Now what? So what you've done is you've shown your boss that I'm fine being treated the way you're treating me. Yeah? जब आप नहीं बोल रहे हो तो आप सामने वाले को ये मैसेज दे रहे हो that it's okay. You go on treating me like this, I'm anyway going to be quiet. And at the same time, you've given that message to your brain also that I don't have to speak. Okay, बॉस के सामने नहीं बोलते हैं. Maybe that's the belief that you have. या belief ये होगा कि अगर बॉस के सामने बोला तो मेरी नौकरी चली जाएगी, या बॉस के सामने बोला तो वो मेरी रेटिंग बिगाड़ देंगे, मेरा रिव्यू अच्छा नहीं होगा. Whatever the belief is, you just strengthen that. Because every time when you didn't speak, despite that जो भी हो रहा था, आपने आपने अपने आप को भी ये सिखा दिया, ये हैबिट बना ली दैट स्टे क्वाइट, लेट हिम डू व्हाटएवर ही इज डूइंग, एंड you've given him a message, it's fine, you can treat me the way you are treating me. So taking that responsibility is the first step. Yeah, taking that responsibility is the first step. And when you talk about standing for yourself, it's not about blaming somebody else. Standing up for yourself is irrespective of whatever is happening outside. This is what I believe in, and this is what is non-negotiable. So and I'm there for myself. That does not mean that I'm going to just blast everybody around, or on day one I'm going to just say this doesn't work, you can't be doing this. It just means that I will not let anybody penalize me, which is myself penalize me. तो जब आप नहीं बोल रहे हो, आप खुद पे पेन इन्फ्लिक्ट कर रहे हो, क्योंकि नहीं बोल करके यू आर इन डीप पेन, यू आर सल्किंग, यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, you are inflicting that pain upon yourself. The boss is doing what he wants to do. He's done. Whatever he's going through is a separate matter altogether. But talking about this gentleman who had to leave his job 1 year later and spending that 1 year in agony, it lowers your self-esteem, your self-confidence, and then when you stand up for yourself, it's more of a reaction. It's not really standing up for yourself. Yeah, I hope you're able to understand the flavor of what I'm saying. So standing up for yourself is standing in a place of responsibility, that whatever is happening around me is my responsibility. Whatever is happening in my life is my responsibility. I have this boss, I cannot do anything about it. Can you really do anything about it? नहीं कर सकते हो. ये बॉस हैं, ये इस तरह से बिहेव करते हैं. I cannot do anything about it. That's not in my control. What is in my control is how do I respond to it and what do I really do about it. पहला, अगर ये context नहीं है तो actually the whole context is नहीं, जैसे भी है चलने दो, won't serve. तो जब आप इतने समय नहीं रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हो और फिर 1 साल बाद कर रहे हो और वो भी फिर इस ब्लेम में कर रहे हो, एंड देन यू आर क्वेश्चनिंग, आई वाज आस्क्ड टू लेट गो, इज इट राइट और रॉन्ग to stand up for yourself? Well, absolutely, you have to stand up for yourself. But the whole question is, what does it mean and when are you doing it? So all I want to say here is, I'm not getting into the action part of it. I'm just, because you will be able to figure out the actions once you are clear on responsibility and context. अगर जो भी हो रहा है उसकी जिम्मेदारी मैं लेती हूँ, अगर मैं ये देखती हूँ कि yes, I can respond to it in some manner, okay, then you could have probably, if that means quitting maybe an year earlier, 6 months earlier, you would have saved that pain to yourself. क्या हुआ वो 1 साल बर्दाश्त करके भी? So the whole point is, what am I up to? I need to have that clarity. And second, अगर मैंने responsibility ली है, then I will start thinking of what I can do instead of blaming. He's not doing this, he doesn't do this की जगह I will think about और क्या कर सकती हूँ. Okay, let me talk to him, let me understand ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं. अच्छा, बात नहीं कर सकती तो maybe I can figure out some way. It's just like any other relation, even with your child. Do you just, whatever the child does, your kid, he may snap at you, he may cry at the most odd hours when you cannot afford to really manage him, but you somehow manage because आपका context क्या है? It's okay, I take that responsibility. My kid, let me figure out, right? Same way, I would say, understand and maybe create that context where you take the responsibility. Once you take that responsibility, you will figure out the actions. And I'm not saying by any means you tolerate any kind of abuse. बट टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, खुद की जिम्मेदारी, अपनी जिंदगी में जो हो रहा है उसकी जिम्मेदारी लेने का मतलब ये है यू एक्ट इन अकॉर्डेंस विद व्हाट आर यू अप टू, यू एक्ट इन अकॉर्डेंस विद वट एवर योर कॉन्टेक्स्ट इज. If that means quitting, like I said an year earlier, so be it. Or if it means maybe I'm going to try and understand what is the pain that he has to just shout. He has to criticize all the time. Why is he so upset? Up to you. That varies. But all I'm saying here is whatever that action would be, at least it will be coming from a context of responsibility. Yeah? I hope you find that meaningful, and trust me, the moment आप responsibility की position में खड़े हो जाते हैं कि जो हो रहा है मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, it's working, my responsibility, it's not working, my responsibility, then you will stop blaming and you will take charge. And that is a very, very powerful position. It takes time. एक बार नहीं होगा, दूसरी बार, तीसरी बार, चौथी बार. Slowly you will start to look at it. You've got to be conscious. If you found this meaningful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.